Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix script hook 5 critical error fatal unknown game version in GTA 5. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search script hook 5 and press enter. Select the AB software development site and scroll down. Next to download, select the download option. After getting download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, just double click on this bin. Just copy all these files in here. Right click and select copy. And now go to the game's location. I saved the game in C drive. As you can see, here is the game. Just double click on this and paste the files in here. After pasting it, now launch the game. And our problem should be fixed guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.